It's amazing how easy it is to use a two-way radio like this, as long as you keep a couple of things in mind. Now, the first thing we want to do, as I'm going to try and talk to my friend Ian on the other side of the car park, we've got to have both radios on the same channel. The other thing to remember is it's not a mobile phone. That means you can't both speak at the same time. So this radio will tell me which channel I'm on.
2, 3, 4.
That's my channel selector. We're both on channel 4, hopefully. And the other control is very easy. I've just got a volume control. That sets how loudly I'm going to hear Ian's transmissions when he's talking to me. And on the side here, the push to talk, which does exactly what it says. When you push that button in, you're transmitting. Now, it's important that I wait a second before I start talking after I push the button so I don't chop off the first part of my sentence. So let's see if Ian can hear me. Hello, Ian. This is Bob calling. Can you hear me? Over.
Hi, Bob. Can hear you loud and clear. Over.
Now, we use the over at the end. You can do whatever you like just to signify you've finished talking. Just makes it easier so I can wait until he's finished talking before I press the button and talk again. Because if I try and talk while he's still talking, he's not going to hear me. Thank you very much, Ian. That's great.